NiceHash Miner versus Salad.io. Which earns you more? Let us first have NiceHash. NiceHash is primarily a hash power marketplace. When you use NiceHash Miner, you are essentially selling your computer's hashing power to buyers who then use it to mine various cryptocurrency. Your earnings on NiceHash are directly tied to the cryptocurrency market, the demand for hashing power, and the efficiency of your hardware. NiceHash provides a profitability calculator where you can estimate your potential earnings based on your specific CPU. NiceHash is often favored by users who are more comfortable with cryptocurrency, managing wallets, and potentially dealing with conversion fees if they want to convert BTC to fiat currency. It offers more control and transparency over the mining process. But how about when it comes to Salad.io? Salad.io also utilizes your idle computer resources, but it's more focused on a broader computer sharing community. While it historically involved cryptocurrency mining, it has expanded to include other workloads like rendering, AI model training, and bandwidth sharing. Salad's earnings are influenced by the demand for various computing tasks on their network and the power of your hardware. They aim to assign your machine to the most profitable job available. Salad is designed for ease of use, particularly for casual users or those new to passive earning. It abstracts away the complexities of crypto mining and wallet management, offering a straightforward way to earn rewards for idle computer time. But which do you think is better? In general, the more powerful your GPU, the higher your potential earnings on both platforms. NiceHash often provides more precise profitability estimates for specific hardware. NiceHash often has the potential for higher earnings, particularly for users with high-end GPUs who are comfortable with cryptocurrency and managing their own payouts. It offers more direct access to the underlying mining profitability, while Salad.io is generally easier to use and more accessible for beginners, but its earnings can be more variable and sometimes lower, especially if there isn't consistent demand for the specific jobs it's assigning to your machine. Some users have reported significantly reduced earnings on Salad in recent time.